Now that you have found a free and fully endowed human body, so difficult to attain, you should accomplish your everlasting goal. You have met the one who is difficult to meet, your Lama, the Buddha incarnate. You then receive the profound instructions, the swift path to liberation in this lifetime. This fortune has been won with your previously accumulated merit's power, not with wealth of jewels. Therefore, with intense diligence, have your practice accompany you to the end of your life. The teaching's foundation is the mind of awakening. The victorious one's spiritual heirs spend their lives helping others. Lacking this, the hearer's vehicle does not lead to enlightenment. If anger's hailstones rain down upon virtue's bountiful harvest, the fruit may be totally destroyed. Keep the watchman of mindfulness alert.